What is up, my friends? It's Edward Tomilloso, your Honda Man Internet Sales Manager here at Honda of Santa Maria. And if you guys have seen me before, I'm missing a little something up top. I ended up cutting my hair because I am losing my hair, so I figured I'd just embrace it. Going all bald, trying to get some sun on it. But anyway, that's not the reason for this video. The reason for this video is, I don't know if you can see it behind me a little bit. That way, no. That way, boom. That right there is the 2019 Honda Pilot. So check it out, guys. On the right, you have the 2019 Honda Pilot, and on the left, you have the 2018. Immediately, you're going to notice Honda did reconfigure the front end quite a bit, and it's all aesthetics, really. However, you do get, as you can notice, you do get these LED headlights on all trim levels now. So that is pretty sweet. Of course, you get brighter lights, very crispy, and it just overall it looks great on the car. You'll also notice the grille has been reconfigured as well. It's a little bit more bold chrome compared to the 2018. Right next to us, you got the 3-tiered chrome grille right there. And then another thing that they readdressed, looks like the fog lights down here, the bezels for them are reconfigured as well. The lower grille as well has been dressed up a little bit more. And to be fair, this is the touring model on my right side. It's actually the Touring Elite. For 2019, they have made the touring model available with captain's chairs. Captain's chairs used to be exclusive only to the Elite trim. Now captain's chairs are available in just the touring, which is pretty cool. So again, this is the Elite trim that we're looking at here in the Lunar Silver Metallic. What's nice is they still include 20-inch alloy wheels. The 2018s have a bit different styling on them, so let me know what you guys think about the style on these wheels. It does give you a really bold 5-spoke look to them, and they are black with the polished aluminum. So, looks really good. Aluminum alloy. And then you got the chrome dressing along the sides, kind of reminiscent of the new CRVs in terms of the touring models that are coming out. I'm not really sure if the regular EXLs have them. Of course, you still have the turn signal lights, which isn't new for this, but here's another area where they addressed the 2019 a little bit differently. Where you're going to notice it is the lights, of course, compared to the 2018. And then the rear dressing for the skid plate as well. You got all black on the 2018 model. But again, this one is an EXL, so once again, it's not a side-by-side comparison of two Elite models. The Elite model still gives you the roof rails. One thing that Honda has now included as well on the Pilots is your hands-free liftgate. This one just came off the truck, so it's not quite ready for me to show all of those things. But coming up, if you guys want to see a full demonstration of the new features on this car, definitely subscribe if you haven't yet, and turn on those notifications for when I do. And then here it is, guys. Like I said, you do get captain's chairs on the Elite model, but now it is available on the regular touring to get captain's chairs, which I have one coming. And then if we pan up, you'll be able to see you do get a panoramic moonroof on the Elite still, so that does not change. So that's not available on any trim other than the Elite. For the rear entertainment, it's a little bit different now. Honda has incorporated a few things that the Odyssey introduced, like cabin talk. And It's the whole system, or the cabin talk, as well as how much further in terms of the app that you have. And then check that out, guys. We'll pan down, but the display gives you back your volume button. I know it's a small thing. Other manufacturers have volume buttons. Honda tried to go away from it for a little while, but came back to it. So, I mean, that's a welcome sight. I'm pretty excited about the volume button, or volume knob. Pretty nice. Touring Elites give you the 9-speed automatic. The Touring as well. Other than that, I'm just trying to find other new things for the 19. Still have your HDMI port. Still have your plugins for your USB. Then they also got this really nice. The Elite model gives you the ventilated seats. So very cool. So we'll get some more information for you on the 2019 Honda Pilots, but it's really cool to see one in person now. Pretty excited to show you guys some more down the line. Once again, this is Edward from Honda of Santa Maria. Just again, want to do this quick video for you as this 2019 Honda Pilot just came off one of the trucks. We're going to start doing our inspections on it. If this helps you guys at all, definitely leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about my bald head. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.